Hello. The outlook for the next several days and nights is for things to be quite a bit milder than you'd expect at this time of year. Milder, but also often wet and windy. And this big swirl on the satellite image is a big area of low pressure that's throwing up the air from the south, hence why it's mild, but also throwing up bands of heavy rain. We've seen some thunderstorms today across parts of Wales and a pretty wet afternoon across Northern Ireland. Heavy bursts of rain likely here. One to watch, it could cause a few problems. That rain edging into parts of northwest England, southwest Scotland by the end of the day. A few showers following for South Wales and southwest England, but generally turning drier here. Some brightness across the southeast and a fine day for much of western Scotland. The breeze is coming in from the east, so the east coast is rather chilly, and that wind going to get very gusty at times or over parts of Wales, particularly the west coast and to the north of the mountains. So that's something also that could cause a little bit of disruption this afternoon. It is quite mild though. Look at the temperatures in the south, 18, 19, possibly 20 Celsius where we see some sunshine. As I mentioned, it does feel a little cooler on those North Sea coasts. Through this evening, that rain is going to march northwards. Some heavy bursts for northwest England, spreading eventually into parts of Scotland. Further pulses of heavy rain for Northern Ireland as well. Some showers this evening for Wales and southwest England, but they do tend to ease off, and much of the south will have a dry night. Quite misty and murky because we've got this warm air sitting in place. Temperatures holding up in the teens maybe in some towns and cities across the south. A little cooler further north, but still temperatures well above average. The winds will ease for Wales and southwest England, but it will get windier across Scotland and quite a wet start to Thursday here. Some heavy bursts of rain through the central belt, marching their way slowly northwards, but tending to ease off across Northern England and southern Scotland. Certainly a much drier day for Northern Ireland and Wales with some sunny spells to come tomorrow. But notice further east there's this line of rain that may even develop into an area of low pressure, a little hook of rain across initially southeast England, spreading into East Anglia and up towards Yorkshire. Some uncertainty about the extent of that rain, but it could easily curl back inland a little bit more if it develops. And we'll see temperatures ranging quite a bit again on Thursday with more cloud in the east, probably a cooler day, but still above average. And probably feeling quite a bit warmer for Wales and southwest England with lighter winds up to 18 or 19 degrees Celsius. As we go through Thursday evening, the likelihood of some more of this rain just getting into parts of northeast England and returning to parts of eastern Scotland. But as I say, some uncertainty about the extent of that rain. So if you've got plans tomorrow afternoon, just keep up to date with the forecast. A drier slot before another band of rain approaching from the southwest, and that's a signal for more bands of showers to come across the country on Friday. For a longer term outlook, Friday, the weekend and even beyond, if you're on half term next week, make sure you check out our 10-day trend video. That'll be available on YouTube come Wednesday afternoon.